Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So while doing research for a drawing of Speed Racer last week, I found myself looking at a lot of the early anime that made its way to the West in the 1960s. And well, I thought it's only appropriate that if we were going to draw Speed Racer, we have to pay tribute to one of the first anime characters to gain popularity in the US. That being Astro Boy. Created by a man often referred to as the god of anime, Osamu Tezuka, I think I said that right. Astro Boy, or as he was known in Japan, Tetsuwan Otomo, originally aired in 1963, running for a little over 2 years. Its popularity helped to usher in a stream of anime shows in the US, including Kimba the White Lion, Gigantor, Speed Racer, and Marine Boy. We may have to draw some more of those. In the meantime, we need to get to our Astro Boy drawing, so let's draw. We're going to draw our Astro Boy pose step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, Astro Boy is about 2.5 heads tall, without the flames shooting off his feet. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is about 2.5 of those tall. Again, when we add those flames, he's about 3 heads tall. Okay, so what do you say we get started with a roadmap for Astro Boy? So there's our roadmap for Astro Boy. Now before we go on to step 2, I want to give you the layout of Astro Boy using simple shapes for those of you who want to screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to position Astro Boy's body and features. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for our drawing of Astro Boy. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Astro Boy. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Astro Boy. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. Now would be the time to take a moment and look at your drawing of Astro Boy while it's still lightly sketched out and fix or change things before you commit that drawing to those final lines. But even after you begin those final lines, you should still be thinking about how you might improve your drawing all the way until the very end. All right? So what do you say we draw in the details for Astro Boy? And that's how you do it. There you have it, from the god of anime himself, Osamu Tezuka, the one and only Astro Boy. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Astro Boy before, you can't expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring our drawing of Astro Boy during this video because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Astro Boy. And with that, you can draw him again and again. And by all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Tetsuan Atomo or Astro Boy. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.